Hi there. So one of the things that I wanted to do when I set up my office was I definitely wanted to make sure that I could see my television above my monitors so that I could watch shows. So one of the things that I did to do that, and as you can see, my monitor is definitely viewable above my television. So I want to show you how I set it up so that I didn't have a ton of cables coming down from the television down the wall. I used this cable management product from Amazon where you drill a hole into your wall about the size of a doorknob, and then you put in this little plastic piece, and then you fish in your TV and any kind of other cables down, and it just goes straight down your wall. So ignore these other wires, but it goes straight down your wall to this. And you can caulk this. I just haven't had a chance to fully seat this in, but this is where the wires come out and plug into, and then you can have that going right into your outlet. So that's how I was able to set up my TV without having a ton of wires crawling down my wall. It was super easy to install. It comes with the drill bit that you need to make the holes. So all you have to do is put it on your drill the holes in, put your wires through, and there you have it. The only thing that I would say is tricky is sometimes in between the studs, they have a piece of wood sometimes there. I'm not really sure why, but when I tried to do it on my TV downstairs, the place where I wanted to put the wires, there was actually a piece of wood that would block the wires from going down. So definitely take your stud finder, check that piece of the wall, and make sure that there is no piece of wood that would block your wires from going all the way down to your outlet. Other than that, I would highly recommend it. It delivers a really nice, clean look for when you mount your TV onto the wall. And like nowadays, who doesn't want to do that? Thanks.